Hello everyone, let's see how to change Outlook background color. So first I go to the Home tab in New Email. Here I show you change the background color of email message. So to change the background color of email message, go to the Options tab, Themes Group. Here you can see the page color option is available. Click on this drop down arrow and select the color and see the background of email message. And if you want to add fill effect, just click on it, fill effect. Here the one dialog box is open. You can add the effects of gradient, texture, pattern, picture. So in gradient, I select here the two color. So first color I select here this one, second color this one, and see here the preview. Okay, you can set here the style also, vertical and other style. See the preview here. After that, click on OK and see the changes over here. The background color will change with the gradient effect. So this is a way you can change the different effects also. And I just close these and now I show you how to change the background colors of entire Outlook. So go to the File tab. In bottom, here you can see the options. Here the Outlook options dialog box is open. In general option, here you see the personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here the Office theme option is available. Click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different color. So here I select the dark gray and click on the OK, and that's it. See the changes over here. So this is a way you can change the background color in Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.